Hey you guys, it's Rita. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to change sceneries, so I'm actually in my living room filming this. There's gonna be a lot of probably changing of lights because I do have three major windows really close to me, two right there and then one on this side. So if the light changes a lot, that's the reason why. But anyway, I've got, of course, by the title you can tell, we're gonna be talking about my second Sephora VIB sale order. So I did place two different orders. The other one is already up. I'll definitely link a card up here and linked below if you want to go on ahead and see that one first. I did get a couple more makeup related things in this one. Mostly everything was makeup. I just got one eye cream, which we'll be talking about in a minute. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this box because we do have a lot of things. Only skincare product, I picked up the INKEY list, the Caffeine eye cream. I was very intrigued with this because I do have under eye bags. So I wanted something that would help the puff because it can get really bad, especially when I haven't slept really good. So I was curious. It was very affordable, $9.99, so you can't beat the price. And it's actually bigger than what I thought. I don't know why whenever I saw people talking about it on YouTube or on Instagram, I figured it was gonna be a smaller size, but it's a pretty big bottle. This is going to be 15 ml, so that's usually the normal that you get whenever you get an eye cream. I don't know why in my mind I was thinking it was pretty small, but it is a pretty good, decent size. I've tried it already maybe like this past 2 or 3 days. I like it so far, but I can't really say how much I'm gonna like it until I kind of like keep using it. But so far, I really like it. Let's just start with the makeup. So my first product was going to be something that I was really interested in picking up for a while now. So this is the Tower 28 bronzer Bronzino in the shade West Coast. I feel like maybe the shade is not going to be the best for me. I could have maybe gone for something a little bit darker, so I'm considering in exchanging it. So you can see here on the demo, I'm trying to apply it and I don't feel like I get much pigment. Again, I don't know if that's just because it's maybe a little too light for me, which I didn't think so, or the product itself is just, you know, on the more sheer side. Definitely let me know in the comments down below if you had experienced this product, because again, it is one of the darker shades. I mean, I didn't get like I got like a medium dark shade. So I don't know, should I exchange it? Let me know. But here you can see in the clip, I'm just applying it, and honestly, for my liking, it's a little too light. I didn't apply anything extra, so the makeup that you see right now, it's everything that we're gonna be demoing. But in a normal day, I would definitely go on with this bronzer and then apply a product that would be powder that's gonna be a little more darker to give me that more bronzy effect, because I don't think that I got it as much with this product. I mean, I like it. It went on very smooth and it was very easy to blend, but I feel like it just was a little too light for me, or not enough pigment, if that makes sense. For the most exciting part of my haul, it was definitely this eyeshadow palette by Natasha Denona. It is not new. It is definitely something that I had on my wish list for some time. This is the mini nude palette. So I have already 3 of this with this one. This is my 3rd mini one. And I really like how small they are, how compact, and how much product you get. Because honestly, at least my collection is big enough that I never really go through eyeshadows. So a small one is always ideal. So you're gonna see here in the clip, that's how I got this eye look. I really like the shades. They're very pigmented, they're very buttery soft. So no complaints in the formula. I really do love Natasha Denona's formula. And I do want to pick up a couple more of these mini ones because it can be very expensive, like her bigger palettes. So I feel like whenever you pick up one of these minis, you definitely get your money's worth. And honestly, in general, I don't use as much anymore bigger palettes. I prefer to do like quints, is this how they call them? Quints, or like quads, 3 eyeshadows, 4 or 5 eyeshadows. That's kind of like what I go for, and it works for me. I'm not a makeup artist, so my makeup looks are always very similar. I just enjoy doing my eyeshadow the way you're seeing I did it right now. So for that, limited amount of colors is always best for me, and it's just easier in general, and I really did like it. I'm gonna keep using it and see how, you know, how I like it more to create more eye looks, but so far I really loved it. I wanted to try some more items from Rare Beauty, so I did pick up the Perfect Strokes matte liquid liner in the shade Black. I feel like I want to get also like a brown one, like a lighter brown. I love the packaging. It's absolutely beautiful, the shade and how it feels like to the touch. It's very, very sleek packaging. I do love that. And it has a gold tip on the top, so I also enjoy that. Packaging wise, I really like it. And honestly, talking about how the product itself, you can see here in the clip, it went on very smooth. And my wings, even though they're not perfect, because I haven't done a wing line in forever, I haven't used liquid liner in a very long time, I feel like it still went on very, very easily. And they might not be perfect, but to my liking, they were good. Sometimes they are so bad that I need to redo it. Now with this, so it was kind of like easy to use. And I do like that it was very dark black. So I like it. It's not a look that I go for a lot anymore, but sometimes I do want to go like full glam, and I feel like the black liquid line is going to be a good part of like the full glam look. This next product is not going to be my ideal mascara, but I think it's good for my everyday. Let's put it like that. For my everyday, I think I'm gonna really enjoy this. This is the Marc Jacobs at Lash'd mascara. So I got a super good deal with this because of course I picked it on the sale, but it was also on sale for $19, which usual price I think it was like $29. So a pretty good deal. This is like a past collection, maybe like last year I believe, or the beginning of this year, with this beautiful packaging. I'm not gonna lie, I was very much intrigued because of the packaging. It's a beautiful, beautiful golden black. You can see here in the clip, it's not usually what I go for. I like to have my lashes to be very voluminous and very long, and to be, you know, very voluminous. That's kind of like my thing. I like my lashes to look very voluminous, and I feel like this mascara didn't give me as much. It did give me the lengthening, but not much volume. So I think it's gonna be good for my everyday, whenever I'm just having like a chill day and maybe just I don't want to put anything on my eyes, just throw in a little bit of mascara. This would be good, but not for like when I want to go like a va-va-voom and have my lashes be huge, because this is not gonna give me that. Another product that has been so hard to pick and to find in stores or on the website is the clear brow freeze. It's just called the brow freeze by Anastasia. So you know that this has been all over social media. People are raving about this product. So I've been wanting to pick it up for quite some time, but it's been very hard. So honestly, I am just excited that I finally picked it. It's going to be a clear gel brow, I guess. And you don't need to wet it, so it's just a gel that's ready to use, which I do like that. I also have the Patrick Ta, but I do have to wet that one. So I do have to bring on I use rose water to spritz it and then apply it. So I like that this one kind of like removes that first step, and you just go straight in the product. You can see I just applied it. I didn't do my brows on camera. I just wanted to show you how the product is used. So you basically just go in with your spoolie, comb your brows. I think there's like another step you need to do to like laminate them, but I don't really want it to laminate my brows. I think you have to kind of like press them with, I don't know, some kind of like tool. But I just wanted kind of like, I just like the feathery look. So that's what I've been going for a very long time. I like to put them all up and then fill them in with either a pencil, which is usually what I use the most, or a pomade. But so far I like it. I think, I don't know, I'm still on the fence in which one I prefer, from this one or my Patrick Ta, but I really did like this one. Rare Beauty is definitely one of those brands that I've been trying, and I really enjoy the products. So I wanted to try this, it's called With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. I do not know why I didn't pick this up earlier, because it is absolutely beautiful. It is the kind of lipstick that I love. It's gonna be super smooth, super hydrating. It goes on like a lip balm. It's very stunning. I think I didn't pick it up before because I had in my mind the idea that they were not gonna be so pigmented, that they were gonna be like very sheer lipsticks. They are not. They give me, you can tell in the clip, it is a full-on pigment. So it's like a regular lipstick, but it's gonna be like a lip balm in one. So I really love that. I like that color a lot, to the point that I want to pick up a couple more of these shades, because the lipstick is just beautiful. Packaging is stunning. I mean, it just, the kind of like matte, beautiful texture to the product, I really love it. It's a beautiful, well done component. And then it's like all of her products, they come like on the back with a flat side. I think there is some kind of reasoning behind this. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know the reason why, so I'm not gonna make up things, but I mean, it's interesting, it's different, I like it, but I know there's something more to it than just like being interested in it. And lastly, I wanted to pick up the very famous and very popular here on YouTube liquid lipsticks from Tower 28. I got mine in the shade Oat, which I feel like that's the most popular one that I've seen. Box, beautiful, just like all of the Tower 28 boxes. I really like the kind of like old school vibe because I am an 80s girl, so this kind of like reminds me of that. It's very, very cute. And then gloss is just going to be a clear component. It's very clean, I do like it. And then on the top it has like the little sort of like sun, I guess. It's very comfortable. It's of course what I have here on my lips today, and I do have the clip right there, the demo. I really do like the color to the point that I want to also pick up a couple more colors. So this lipsticks that I got, or like lip products, definitely bomb, and I want to expand in more shades because they are so comfortable, both the lipstick and the lip gloss, and I feel like these two together paired really good. But also on like an everyday, just kind of like normal no lipstick, I would go for this lip gloss, and I feel like it's gonna look so pretty by itself or basically on top of any lipstick. I don't see how this would not look beautiful under any everything I picked up. I now know that I want to try different things like those lip glosses. I want to try a couple more, and that lipstick, oh my goodness, I cannot stress you enough how much I enjoyed that lipstick. It's so beautiful, so comfortable, and also packaging wise, it's absolutely stunning to just sit on your vanity or throw in your purse. It's very, very pretty to look at. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is going to be my last Sephora VIB sale. I did only get these two different kind of like shippings. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!